Okay, so to answer this question, we need to look at what a pyramid with a square base looks like, and we have to make one basic assumption. So this is question, let me make sure my pen is on. Okay, so this is question 2.6, number 8. So first of all, if we read the problem, it says that the water is being filled at a constant rate of 30 cubic centimeters per second. So that tells me dV dt equals a positive 30 cubic centimeters per second. Now the volume of a pyramid is 1/3, and it would be the area of the base. In this case it's a square, so we know that it's side squared times the height. Okay, so then we need to look at a cross-section to kind of look at the triangle that's developed. And the triangle that's developed has a height of 9 when the side is 2. So I'm just doing a front-looking face on this. So therefore I can set up this proportion. The side to the height is equal to 2 to 9. Since they're asking us to solve for what rate is the water level rising, what I'm really looking for is this. dH dt equals question mark. So I want to convert this formula right here to all h's, so I can take the derivative with respect to time. Alright, so let's see how I would do this. So S, according to this little proportion here, would equal 2/9 h. Now I'm going to take this and substitute. So over here, I would write V is equal to 1/3, and I would do 2/9 h squared times h. So this would equal 1/3 4/81 h squared times h. So this equals 4 over 243, and this is h cubed, and this is v. Alright, so now I'm going to take the derivative, so dV dt is equal to 4 over 243 times 3h squared times dH dt. Alright, so in order to solve this, I can cancel this 3, or simplify this 3 with this 243 and make it 81. And now I'm going to plug in the information that's given in the problem. They said that the water level is 4 centimeters, so what's happening there? So I know what dV dt is. 30 is equal to, and I would do 4 over 81 times 4 squared times dH dt. Okay, now solving for dH dt, I'm going to get 30 is equal to 64, because I'm going to have 4 times 16, so 64 over 81 times dH dt. I multiply by the reciprocal, and I would get 2430 over 64 equals dH dt. Now let me simplify that fraction, and we'll plug it in. Alright, and this would equal 1215 divided by 32. And that would be centimeters